In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Void War on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you are there, we are quickly going to search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download it. Quickly go to the Steam website and there we will search up the game Void War. Select the game, open the game page, scroll a little bit down and there is a free demo available, but we would like to download the full game. As you can see, the game on Steam is €19.50. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games legally online. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Void War. Select the game and search for it, then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have found a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it can't be activated in your country. Now once you have found one, select the game, open the game page and you will find out that we can already download this game for €15.86 compared to the Steam price of €19.50. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game through Steam on your own PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!